Hello guys, this is Others. Welcome to my another video. In this video we are going to talk about how we can draw a realistic hair using graphite pencils. So at first I am using 5H grade of pencil for drawing outline. I have completed the outline. Now I am using 2B grade of pencil for first layer of shading. I am just drawing the strokes of hair in the direction of hair by observing the reference. I'll draw the complete hair using 2B grade of pencil for first layer of shading. I've completed the first layer of shading using 2B grade of pencil. Now I'm using normal paintbrush for blending. It's good to use paintbrush for blending while we are drawing hair. Now I'm using 10B grade of pencil for final layer of shading. I'm applying pressure for the darker area and I'll leave the space for the highlighted area. Later I'll use tombow mono zero eraser for adding highlights, fine lines. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, and if you are new to my YouTube channel, then please subscribe my channel and share with your friends. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, keep drawing, keep improving, and thank you so much for watching.